Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be talking about the top 5 best night creams. There are lots of options out there, but in this review, I will be focusing on the top 5 best night creams. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Let's watch the video. Number 1. Olay Regenerist Night Recovery Face Cream. Olay Regenerist Night Recovery Face Cream is a great option. If you're looking for a night cream that can help renew your skin's surface cells while you sleep, it provides extreme hydration. The moisture-binding formula plumps surface cells throughout the night, leaving your skin looking and feeling more hydrated and youthful. The rich, super hydrating formula is designed to penetrate 10 surface layers deep, improving texture and elasticity. The advanced amino peptide complex helps regenerate skin surface, visibly correcting the look of deep wrinkles. In my experience, the Olay Regenerist Night Recovery Face Cream is a great option for those who want to wake up to more hydrated and youthful-looking skin. The fragrance-free, non-greasy, and quick-absorbing formula makes it easy to apply and comfortable to wear throughout the night. The cream's advanced amino peptide complex helps to regenerate skin surface, visibly correcting the look of deep wrinkles. The moisture-binding formula plumps surface cells throughout the night, leaving your skin looking and feeling more hydrated and youthful. Overall, the Olay Regenerist Night Recovery Face Cream should be a try. If you're in the market for a high-quality night cream that can help improve the texture and elasticity of your skin. Number 2. Aveeno Restorative Night Cream. Aveeno Restorative Night Cream is extremely hydrating and nourishing for dry skin overnight. And it also increases the elasticity and firmness of the skin. Intense hydration for dry skin. Improves appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Contains blackberry complex with anti-aging ingredients. Aveeno Restorative Night Cream is a great choice for those looking for a night cream that deeply hydrates and nourishes the skin. The blackberry complex infused with vitamins and anti-aging ingredients helps improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, while also strengthening the skin's natural moisture barrier. It is clinically proven to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in just 1 week. It is also non-comedogenic and hypoallergenic, making it suitable for sensitive skin types. Overall, Aveeno Restorative Night Cream is an excellent option for those who want to nourish and hydrate their skin while also reducing the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles. Number 3. CeraVe Night Cream. The CeraVe Night Cream for anyone looking for a hydrating and renewing night cream. The exclusive peptide complex helps to soften and renew tired skin overnight. The overnight moisturizer helps to hydrate and retain skin's moisture with hyaluronic acid, renewing the look of tired skin. Formulated with 3 essential ceramides and patented MVE delivery technology for all-day hydration. This night cream is perfect for those looking for a hydrating and renewing cream that is suitable for all skin types. The exclusive peptide complex helps to soften and renew tired skin, while the overnight moisturizer helps to hydrate and retain skin's moisture with hyaluronic acid, renewing the look of tired skin. The formula is also formulated with 3 essential ceramides and the patented MVE delivery technology for all-day hydration. Overall, the CeraVe Night Cream is for anyone looking for a hydrating and renewing night cream that is suitable for all skin types. Number 4. Cetaphil Hydrating Night Cream for Face. If you're looking for a night cream that provides intense hydration and protection from dryness, then Cetaphil Hydrating Night Cream for Face is a great choice. Provides 24-hour hydration. Made with hyaluronic acid and olive oil extract. Suitable for sensitive skin. I have had a great experience with Cetaphil Hydrating Night Cream for Face. It's a rich, oil-free cream that deeply moisturizes and rehydrates the skin, leaving it feeling soft and smooth. The cream is formulated with hyaluronic acid, which is known for its ability to retain up to 1,000 times its weight in water, and olive oil extract, which helps to protect the skin from dryness. I love about this night cream is that it's suitable for sensitive skin. It's non-comedogenic and hypoallergenic, and it's been dermatologist tested, so you can feel confident using it on your skin. Overall, I highly recommend Cetaphil Hydrating Night Cream for face. It's a fantastic option for anyone looking for a night cream that provides intense hydration and protection from dryness. Number 5. Aveiro Night Cream, Positively Radiant. Intensive brightening face This night cream with vitamin B3 that promises to help you wake up with skin that looks more radiant. Hydrates skin and helps even tone. Helps diminish the appearance of dullness, blotchiness, and brown spots. Contains total soy complex and vitamin B3. The cream is lightweight and absorbs quickly, skin feeling soft and smooth. I appreciate that it contains total soy complex and vitamin B3, which are known to brighten and even out skin tone. Overall, Aveiro Positively Radiant Intensive Night Cream with vitamin B3 for those looking to improve the evenness of their skin tone and add some hydration to their nighttime skincare routine. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.